Satnam, I'd love to welcome you to our upcoming Love Coach training. This training is here to help you go deeper into everybody's favorite subject, if the truth be known. It's the subject of love. How do we expand our love? How do we feel better with our love? How do we love ourselves more? Oh, what to do. So many possibilities. So many ways to love, so many people to share love with. We've got a world to share love with. So first thing we're going to do is talk about self-love and opening our own hearts and what that looks like. And we'll move into talking about relationships with others, children, family, friends, and last but not least, intimate relationships. It's all going to be part of the upcoming exciting Tantric Love Coach training. At the end, you'll be able to work with your clients, with your friends, with couples, if you like. And if you're a yoga teacher, this is a great thing to add to your bag of tricks. We'll talk specifically about heart-centered communication, a way to have conversations with people so that everybody wins. It's based on acknowledging people's feelings, acknowledging people's needs, really deeply listening to each other. We'll also talk about how to support each other. You may have heard the phrase, it takes a village. Well, in this area, we say it takes a village to raise a relationship. We all need each other and we're all in relationships. So how do we work together to make our relationships fulfilling, exciting, harmonious, and most of all, expansive and growthful, and exciting and wonderful, so we can be feasting on high octane love every moment with every breath. So see you soon. Satnam.